You know what, guys? Let's just play the game, dude. I just literally download the mod. That is Red Moon appears. I gotta even go in my house right now, bro. I'm scared. Bro, please don't tell me, bro. Boy!
No, you brave.
God, bro, I don't want to
But
be
you're
brave,
a
bro.
big boy. You're 10 years old now. No much do not by me. We just
Happy. I'll go up.
bubain ba yan? Buba.
I'll hide here,
Just go to sleep.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. Don't tell me if I wake up, it's still red. Okay. Nothing.
This the same weather.
It's the same weather, but not same. It's a little bit lighter still. I think it's white now. It means I safe to go outside. Oh, it's a white moon. Wait. Oh, he's good. I'll kill him. Hi. Get out. Patay na ito. Patay na ito. Need rich food. Kulihan ako food. Hinain ni bread. Pa-change na ako kay bread. Yeah. Yeah. Just cook. I'll go back to mining now. Okay, guys, I will go to the grave now. I will see you tomorrow, bro.
Tidlo na water pa.
Okay, bro. I'm finished mining, bro. I got so much thing. Just look at it. So many. So I'll see you guys. So let's go to outside first.
Ah,
Okay, guys. So let's go to the surface.
na diri.
So let's go. Please don't tell me it's nighttime. Okay, still daytime. Okay, it's noon now.
Just out time. Take a screenshot.
There's nothing.
Take a screenshot in your house.
I cannot screenshot because there's already some.
Okay. Later.
Kung may tignan ko si aircon, Edo din eh.
Dili pan kaning
Ano rin eh?
tigno diron pero di na makampi. Ug sa lisod ako kuan tuyog.
Nasa katid na wala.
Pag tuyog na ako diron, sige lagak mo mataad. Sige lagak mo mataad ang diyon kay hinda sa kuan ang good diron sa ubos kay amura sakit sa ako liog. O ganing pa dili kay tuyog rak diretso. Usay lagi sakbay kay sige lagi ako mata-mata dyan to yung biskan. Kuhan.
Ikaw mo to, sab? Gana mo to.
Amo sab.
Gana mo to.
Gana mo tuyog pero sa kantilan dili ako. Amura ko tag. Amura jay uko to kay diyan may gunak na dungog nan ukok dyan. Iton gani amura san ito nag hablong dyan. Aw! Itong gani.
Oo. Nakita kami ng ukok sa kami dito kami. Nagbaw kami ng
Ido.
si Kuya
Sa
nag-spot.
gamton.
Nag-spot siya ng ukok.
Ogoy.
Siya pa din.
Ukok iton. Iton. Cockroach iton. Tawagon lang po sa po. Yan.
Ah, ako.
O, tawagon ko.
Si Kuya kita nakakrap sa may
So,
Do not biscuit, I will join you.
so stay tuned, guys. Oh, I thought something was there. So, guys, stay tuned for guys. So, wait, bro.
May pag-roller din po.
Fine. Okay, say that. Okay, bro. Okay, see you guys. I'm going to be back.